A week after making ferocious attack against Modi government in parliament over violent crisis in Manipur, leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi is set to visit Manipur tomorrow. He is likely to be accompanied by Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal in the visit. MPCC President Kesham Megachandra, who has reached Jiribam today ahead of the visit of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, informed that Rahul Gandhi will arrive at Silchar Airport in Assam at around 9:15 a.m. tomorrow, and he will head to a relief camp which is located at Kasar district's Fulartal and interact with the inmates there. He will then proceed to Jiribam district of Manipur and meet with people who are taking shelter at relief camp set up at Jiribam Higher Secondary School. Rahul Gandhi will travel to Churachandpur district and then to Fubala High School relief camp before heading to Raj Bhavan in Imphal to meet with Manipur Governor Anusuya Uike in the evening. The Congress leader will also interact with media persons before leaving for Lucknow.
Rahul Gandhi ji, Honorable Opposition Leader of Lok Sabha, is coming to Manipur by a special flight tomorrow, that is on 8th July, Monday. Tomorrow morning he is reaching at Silchar Airport, and after that he will go by road to Jiribam district. After that he is coming to Imphal and will go by road to Churachandpur district, the place where affected by the violence. And after that, coming from Churachandpur to, he will lead to Bishnupur district. There also he will meet the inmates in the different relief camp. After meeting all the inmates in the different relief camp in Jiribam district, Churachandpur district and the Bishnupur district, he will lead to the office of the Honorable Governor. He will meet the Honorable Governor Anusuya Uike.